Wow, we're at the place before. Maybe I can start around first. Everyone said, what's this button do? Wait. Yeah. Wow. That was a good one. Hey, this sports? I don't see sports before. Wow. Rocky. Okay, I'm just gonna. Hangers are good. How much cost for the Nerf guns? Wow. The Rocky Talkies, huh? Johnny wish needs Rocky Talkies. That would be awesome. I almost got $20. No way your Johnny's not gonna buy this. But Johnny, huh? Hey, look, it's just like same before, after. Nope. Bullets. That's fine. A bat. Well, I guess maybe I wish and get Knuckle Jr. Like Knuckle Sandwich, okay, I can knock him out. Wow. Nerd stuff. The biggest Johnny's humongous. That is the biggest stuff. But Johnny's out of money. Well, Sarah's out money. I guess I'll just take a look around. Huh. I've heard this before, but you just all these disco. That's not cool at all. Ooh, Star Wars. Ooh, Star Wars is my favorite. Yeah. Weapon X. Okay. Oh, that's weird. What the heck's this? I've not heard that before. Ooh, let me try the dinosaur. Get it up, boysy. Yeah, it's been fun. The mask. Ooh. Claws, huh? That's cool from the... It's not bad. Huh. I wish Johnny can get Nerf guns. He'll be awesome like a good gear. That would be awesome. Huh. I wonder if they have DVDs, huh? Wait, Power Rangers? Dino Thunder? Guess Dino Thunder's cool. I guess I'll just go around and find Power Rangers. Where's the Power Rangers? Okay. Imagination. Oh. Why? Oh, I can ask somebody. Hey, excuse me?
Okay, we'll go to the
Have you seen DVDs around here? Okay, my name's Chef Rabbit. I cook and clean, and I babysit. Yeah, so, DVDs. Oh, wait. Before I continue, I want to take a look at something. Ooh. This is new. Nintendo Switch. Wait a minute. Sonic's Mania. Get artwork with a new characters from past. Wait, Sonic's Mania? How much cost? $29. That's a lot of dough. That's crazy. I can get something in the future. Okay, Johnny had Sonic 4, so we got 1 minute ago. Huh. I wonder. We did not get the Nintendo Switch case before. Maybe we'll get something in the future. Wait a minute, go back again. Nintendo Switch. Okay. Hey, Xbox One. Xbox. Is that for Xbox One? Xbox One. Johnny wants this so bad he wish he can get it, but he lost prices. Dang it. Guess he don't have them still. Oh, there's DVDs. Huh. There's some collections of old classic cartoons. Okay, see Peppa Pig. I don't want Peppa Pig. Johnny liked Peppa Pig, but not anymore. He was a little kid. What? Hey, Arnold the Jungle movie. He not got him on DVD. Guess he not got them yet a long time ago. Hey, it's a television from PBS Kids. Came out from years ago. Wait, Adventures. There needs some classic adventures. Oh, I see. Marvel's Adventures Age of Ultron. That's from years ago from Saw 3. Oh no, Johnny will never. I know Johnny likes it, but he don't want to watch. Hey, it's a Disney Channel double feature on Disney DVD. The old classics. With the wow. I guess I'll just. Oh, okay. That's seriously new. That's seriously new. Hey, Xbox controller set. Johnny loves Xbox One. Maybe I'll get something in the future. Like Call of Duty. Black Ops. Okay. Oh, that's the same for he got. Okay, he got the not got Xbox headset before. He was so wants to get it so bad, but I'm more. Who cares? Roop-de-doo. Wow. Johnny must get something in future. Like Mario Kart 8. wanna play a game. Wow. Shh. Wait, the Mario tennis. Wait, what the heck? No! Hello, neighbor! Now it's on Nintendo Switch. What the heck? I hate that. I hate Hello Neighbor. It's not cool. We die. It's not gonna be a nice place, I pray. Because it's not advice if I get here. Because it's stupid and I lose this game every time. I lose the game, but I lost the game every time. So I'm not gonna buy it. No way, I'm not buying no Hello Neighbor. Bad mess. Oh, hey Sarah. I've been looking around all day and it was good. Oh yeah, come here. I gotta show you something.
Alright, one thing and then we'll leave.
So Johnny found something and you're gonna be so jealous. First up, number one, he found some sale prices. % off here. Okay, no. Johnny used. Okay, there it is. Follow me. So Johnny found % off with the Nerf guns.
But you have tons of Nerf guns, so no.
No, this time I think Johnny needs one more left.
No.
What about this one?
No. Let's go. Come on. Nice try. Let's go.
Hold on. I just want to take a look.
You've been looking for the past half an hour.
Just one more look. Just not look before. Huh, the mask. Like Johnny has masks, so I'll just... I wonder... Well, I don't know. Sarah'll say no this time within $8 for that, so no way. No, but maybe I can get a DVD someday. Maybe I can get a DVD pretty soon.
We'll see. Maybe we'll buy something out in Colorado with this game. We'll see what happens. I don't know. This trip is already going to cost a bunch of money.
Is there a DVD?
We're not looking at DVDs. There's DVDs in Colorado.
Oh, I was trying. Oh, can we get blankets?
We don't need a blankets here.
Well, maybe like something like.
There's only 2 days to travel with, so no, we're not bringing that extra stuff with.
Okay.
Not really that. So I got you meat and some pigs and yogurt and stuff like that.
Wait, Mom, could we just get one DVD just for case?
No, we're not getting a DVD.
Alright. And so we can get food. Okay. Mom, we can go all the way to the front. It's been a long day shopping. Well, Johnny was trying to get some buying stuff. He wants his own.
I know, but I bought you stuff.
Well, you did not buy it today. You did not buy Takis.
We can't buy that here. We have to buy that somewhere else. We have to buy that in Colorado.
Ooh. Ooh, that's good, yeah. Charger will work.
Yeah, it was only for the iPhone.
Oh, jeez. Jesus. Well, Mom, I know just a thing. Look.
Uh-oh.
It's a watch.
Yeah?
Maybe we can get a watch for Johnny?
No, he doesn't need a watch.
He might need one. It's his favorite. I'm gonna go take a look one more last thing. Just DVD's Adventures. Whoa. Adventures in VR. The special Ultimate Edition. You get a special Ultimate Edition on Blu-ray cover. It's a limited edition. You get a bulk set and the only DVD. There is also 2 hours of bonus features.
Oh, he needs something like that he can push around.
Okay. Alright, the food's right here.
Yep.
I know you're tired, right?
Yeah, I just want food.
Well, can I choose any food?
You can pick something up. One here, that's fine. Daddy and I are not going.
Can I get a drink? Alright, Johnny, well, is there something you like? Huh. Well, my favorite. Wait. Mountain Dew? This time it's different.
No, you're not getting one.
No, look, it's called Code Red.
Yeah, no, but no.
Well,
What I got you?
what's that?
It's a toothbrush.
Oh, that's good. Well, can I get Gateway?